Welcome back to the channel. Today we are taking a deep and detailed journey into true British luxury as we explore the Rolls-Royce Silver Spirit. This is a car that didn't chase trends or performance figures. Instead, it focused on refinement, craftsmanship, and a sense of occasion that very few automobiles have ever matched. The Silver Spirit made its debut at the dawn of the 1980s, with the 1981 model marking a turning point for Rolls-Royce. It was created as a successor to the long-running Silver Shadow, which had already cemented Rolls-Royce as the ultimate name in luxury motoring. With the Silver Spirit, Rolls-Royce aimed to modernize its lineup while staying faithful to its heritage. The result was a car that felt contemporary for its time yet unmistakably traditional in character. Built in Crewe, England, each Silver Spirit was assembled with an extraordinary level of attention to detail, reflecting the brand's philosophy that perfection is achieved through patience and precision. In the early 1980s, the Silver Spirit became a global symbol of success. Heads of state, royalty, industrial leaders, and celebrities favored it not because it was flashy, but because it conveyed authority and taste without shouting for attention. It was a car that arrived quietly yet commanded respect the moment it stopped. Exterior. From the outside, the 1981 Silver Spirit presents a bold and dignified appearance. The tall, upright Pantheon grille dominates the front end, instantly recognizable even from a distance. Sitting proudly above it is the Spirit of Ecstasy, a timeless emblem that represents grace and motion. The body design is formal and boxy, a reflection of Rolls-Royce's commitment to elegance over fashion. The long hood, straight body lines, and wide stance give the car a commanding road presence. Chrome detailing is applied with restraint, highlighting key features without overwhelming the design. Large doors and a high roofline not only enhance the car's stately look but also make entry and exit effortless, especially for rear seat passengers. The proportions of the Silver Spirit are carefully balanced. It looks substantial, solid, and reassuring, exactly what a luxury sedan of this caliber should feel like. Even when parked, the car gives the impression of calm authority, as if it belongs wherever it is placed. Interior. Opening the door reveals an interior that defines classic luxury. The cabin of the 1981 Silver Spirit is a showcase of handcrafted excellence. The seats are upholstered in thick, supple Connolly leather, stitched and finished by skilled craftsmen. Real wood veneers line the dashboard, door panels, and rear cabin, each piece carefully matched for color and grain. Deep, plush carpeting covers the floor, adding to the sense of warmth and comfort. Everything you see and touch feels deliberate and substantial. The seating position is upright and commanding, offering excellent visibility over the long hood. The dashboard layout is clean and uncluttered, featuring traditional analog gauges that are easy to read and elegantly designed. There is no unnecessary complexity here. Rolls-Royce believed luxury should be intuitive, not distracting. Switches and controls operate with a satisfying weight and precision, reinforcing the sense of quality. In the rear, the Silver Spirit truly shines. Rear passengers enjoy generous legroom, wide seats, and a serene environment isolated from the outside world. This was a car designed to be chauffeur-driven as much as owner-driven, and the rear cabin reflects that philosophy. Long journeys feel effortless, quiet, and relaxing, making the Silver Spirit an ideal companion for business travel or formal occasions. Performance. Under the hood lies one of Rolls-Royce's most famous power plants, the 6.75-liter V8 engine. In the 1981 Silver Spirit, this engine was engineered for smoothness and durability rather than outright speed. Power output figures were modest by modern standards, but that was never the point. What mattered was the immense torque delivered in a smooth, effortless manner. Paired with an automatic transmission, the engine moves the heavy sedan with grace, never feeling strained or hurried. The driving experience is defined by serenity. Acceleration is smooth and progressive, with no drama or harshness. The suspension system is tuned to deliver the legendary Rolls-Royce magic carpet ride, gliding over bumps and imperfections with remarkable composure. Road noise is minimal, engine noise is barely audible, and vibrations are carefully isolated from the cabin. At cruising speeds, the Silver Spirit feels almost detached from the road, creating a sense of calm that few cars can replicate. Steering is light and relaxed, encouraging smooth, unhurried driving. This is not a car that demands aggressive inputs or fast cornering. Instead, it rewards patience and grace. The Silver Spirit excels on long highway journeys, where its stability, comfort, and quietness truly come into their own. Beyond the mechanical aspects, the 1981 Silver Spirit represents a philosophy of luxury that is increasingly rare today. It comes from a time when craftsmanship mattered more than screens, when silence and comfort were valued above performance statistics, and when luxury was measured by how relaxed you felt after a long drive. Today, the Silver Spirit is appreciated as a classic that bridges old-world tradition and modern design. It remains a favorite among collectors and enthusiasts who admire its timeless elegance and dignified character. Owning one is not just about having a car, it's about preserving a piece of automotive history that reflects an era of unmatched refinement. As we wrap up, the 1981 Rolls-Royce Silver Spirit stands as a true icon of luxury motoring. Its stately exterior, handcrafted interior, and effortlessly smooth performance combine to create an experience that few cars can rival. It reminds us that true luxury doesn't need to shout, it simply exists, confident and composed. If you enjoyed this in-depth look at one of the most elegant sedans ever built, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments. Tell us which classic luxury car you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.